dirty. Very dirty. Wheels. Very dirty. Poor car. Being a car guy, he doesn't take care of his vehicles very well. Just see the poor crustiness in the car. Very dirty. Look at the wheels. Super dirty. Headlights. Cloudy. Will not take care of his car very well, tell you what.
What are you doing now?
Car's filthy.
I know that.
It's disgusting.
What's your point?
You need to wash or
Okay.
him, or is it a day?
That's Silver Fox.
Oh,
So yeah, it's filthy.
Oh,
Hasn't
yeah.
been washed in months. It hasn't been driven in months. What? It's a water bottle. What are you pointing at?
you're the car.
Right. So yeah, have you seen the price of car washes these days?
No, I don't go through them. They're scary.
Oh, that's right. It's like grocery shopping or
Yeah,
any other home activities.
sure.
So yeah, so Sean here. I don't know if Heather did any talking in the little walk around. I'm guessing she said nothing. So we'll just edit that in the middle of the video somewhere because yeah, it's a dirty car. It's been dirty for months and it's added to the long list of things that are my fault. So yeah, see, yep, there it is. So I don't know if you guys have been out of your houses lately, but if you've noticed, everything has gone crazy expensive. You can't go to the grocery store without spending like $200. You can't get a tank of fuel, especially in this big German bus, for under $60. Things are getting crazy, and going to the car wash is no exception. If you want like a really, really good car wash, you're gonna spend some money. So that's, yeah, I was gonna say that screen fades after about 2 minutes.
Oh, okay.
So if you want a really good car wash and you don't want to wash it yourself, one, it's summer. What the hell are you doing? You're wasting money. And two, I hope you have $25 or $30 because that's what like a full service, just exterior wash costs nowadays. It's absolutely terrible. So I don't do that. I go through the car wash in the winter when there's 4 feet of snow here and you freeze your nuts off between the house and the garage. So you can't. Well, you know, thanks to our good friends at GoPro who genuinely sucked my taint, the camera, a GoPro 12, which is only one series old, just decides to shut off at random all the time. So GoPro, as soon as I have the means, I'm going to replace you and probably just smash you with a hammer with my new camera recording all of it. So anyway, back to this, car washes. 25-30 bucks, freaking rip off. So I wash my cars at home, not that you can tell. Thanks. This one's been off the road for a while because it's a German car and it's old, so it breaks constantly, kind of just like that one there, which is an old German car. Yeah. and breaks off. And that one is affectionately called the Dingleberry. It's red like a berry and it's a piece of shit. So, but anyway, car washes. You don't got to spend a fortune. You don't need a pressure washer. I have a pressure washer. I use it to wash my cars, but you don't have to have it. And as usual, someone starts mowing their fucking grass right when we start this video.
That's okay.
But anyway, you can buy a foam cannon like this one. This is made for a pressure washer, but they make them to work with your garden hose as well. They sell a similar version of this at Harbor Freight. It's made by this company here, Grants. And they cost about 35 bucks to get that foam cannon, and you'll see in the video here shortly how foam cannons have changed the way I wash my car. I use the Meguiar's car wash. It works really good in my Canon. You can buy smaller containers. I happen to get this one for free, not sponsored, but I did get it for free way back when. And my Fossil, not sure what company that is. I know I somehow have 3 of them and they work pretty good. if you guys want to up your game, look for stuff like this. I'm a huge Chemical Guys fan, not sponsored. Come on guys, hook a brother up. This type of stuff you can get all year round. They even make them with, you can buy them with a bucket, a wash mitt, and a whole bunch of stuff for like $40. Buy that, buy your foam cannon, buy some car wash, get yourself a good drying towel also from Harbor Freight. This is about $7. Harbor Freight, not sponsored again. And some detailing towels, also from Harbor Freight, not sponsored. Thanks. So going broke with buying all this Harbor Freight crap. But yeah, for, let's see, you can buy your car wash for about $12 to $15. You can buy a kit like this. I think I paid $18. These are about $6. The drying towel's about $8. Foam cannon's $35. For the cost of about 2 good drive-through car washes, you can have a full rig to wash your own car all summer and the next summer and the next summer. So it doesn't make sense to me, at least, to blow money all summer on getting car washes when you can just do it yourself. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna soap her up, scrub her down on cue, and dry it off. And then, you know, as you can see, if you want, she already did a walk around, but
Yeah.
I had no idea the car was this nasty. Oh, holy, look at that.
That's
Just absolutely gross. So I'm gonna fire up the old pressure washer over here, hook up my foam cannon, and we're gonna do work. So give me a minute, we'll be right back. Tragic mistake that you sometimes make
is missing a spot. You
That's
missed a
fine,
spot
but you
right there.
also need a bucket with water in it so you can like
Wow.
wipe the car down.
Dang.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Dumb guy. We're just gonna keep it like that, and we're gonna drive it and hope it flies off with the dirt. That's what we're gonna do. As it drips to oblivion. It's all drippy. Foamy and drippy. Looks better already.
The wash mitt's in the house.
I think the key takeaway here that we should learn is preparedness. When you want to start a project like this, it's important to be prepared with all of the equipment that you'll need to do something like this project. He's not prepared.
Okay, well,
You're doing a good job.
thanks. I've got 2 mitts. The one old stretched out one is for wheels, and this one is for the paint. A little bit newer. Not as gross. So I foam it and then just scrub it. Nice thing about the cannon is you can just wipe down the whole car in one shot. You don't have to go back to the bucket for shampoo, car shampoo, I guess, car wash.
So you don't need to rinse the grime off the car first before you foam it? Wow.
Nope, not for me. People can yell at me, it's an old car. I don't care. If it was my Porsche that's conveniently in the shop, sorry you guys can't see that.
Yeah, right.
It's in the shop.
Uh-huh.
Then I would power wash or rinse it. But you know what? I'm not doing it. Not really going to say much. Just want to get this done.
Yep. That is a special drying towel though, isn't it?
Yep. Yep. made for drying cars. Normally I haven't run out of towel on any of the cars I've washed with these. I got a couple of these towels. Like I said, you can get them over at the Harbor Freights. They're about, well, when I bought them they were about $7, but that was a couple of years ago.
I like them because unlike those other towels we used to use, you have to wring them out all the time.
Well, we used to use the absorber.
Yeah, which worked too,
Just
but you
like
have to wring them out.
If you're not familiar with what an absorber is, it's like a synthetic chamois for drying cars. And it works. But like the wifey said behind the camera, you gotta pause,
Wring them out.
wring it out, pause, wring it out multiple times. This, as you can see, done basically half this car already. I'm just doing it kind of quick because
It's hot.
it's a little warm.
For Ohio, it's hot. Start of a heat wave today.
Yep. Kyle does a really nice job. It's fast.
Yep.
When it's sunny out.
Fast is good.
Yep. Okay. And just stop banging around over there. Alright. Fast is good when it's sunny out. I parked in the shade,
Yep.
so I don't have to worry about it as much. But any wash after 3 months of, well, it was more than that. Probably 4 months of
Being
just
inoperable.
sitting.
This-
Any wash is a good wash. But with the foam cannon, a drying towel, pressure washer optional. You get a pretty good end product. Shiny, nice. How you doing? Got a thumbs up from the FedEx guy over there.
Oh, good.
And yeah, that's oh, got neighbors. Go ahead, yeah, go over, go. So you gotta show
Oh,
them.
there they are. Yeah, neighbors.
There you are, you're on YouTube
Neighbors.
now. Neighbor celeb, nerdy machinist guy. He's not on YouTube, but that's what he is.
Okay.
Yeah, or Rick. Anyway, so gotta let this dry a little bit on the wheels because it's got gonna put some tire shine on it to make it look extra pimpy, and I think that's what the kids say now. But it's gonna be dope. You know what I'm saying? Super fly, not whack. You know, like all those other
Tubular.
wannabe
Totally.
bitches out there.
Mhm.
Yeah, my dope ride is fly, and yours isn't. No, I don't know. It's a 23-year-old Audi wagon. I love this car. Drives, runs, sometimes. Other times.
Love
it's-
is a strong word.
Yeah, so it's draining the bank account most times. But right now it just happens to work. Everything works. AC, everything. So anyway, we can go on. So in closing, all you need are a few-
3,000 for anybody that wants it.
Yep. Well, let's just pump the brakes.
Oh, sorry.
So anyway, all you need to do this job is a foam cannon, which you can get to go on the end of your normal garden hose, some car wash to dump in it, wash mitt, bucket,
The drying towel.
drying towel, and when you're ready to go inside, you just need a couple detailing products and a few microfiber towels, and your ride is. So
It's
if
good
you guys want to
exercise.
see like what I use to clean the inside of my cars, drop a comment down below, please. Like I get like 5 comments a video. I'd like to get like, I don't know, shooting for the moon, 7. So yeah, but this is my 2002 Audi A6, the Silver Fox, and she's now not a dirty $2 you fill in the blank. So she's clean, she's ready. Yeah, that's about it for me.
Okay.
Beat high prices. Wash your own stuff, do your own stuff, build your own stuff. I'm Sean, this is Dumb Guy DIY. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Wifey,
Oh, just thumbs up.
Oh, just thumbs up. No talking as usual.
Nah.
She is the worst color commentator I have on my staff. J-Lo, Gumby, even Blake, way better. So
Well, they're in Florida.
yeah, they are. Well, Gumby's in like Nevada or
Somewhere.
I don't know. Anyway,
All right.
so for
Wrap it up.
less than one half of a night out with your friend or wife, you can wash your car all summer and next summer and the summer after that. I'm Sean. This is Dumb Guy DIY. Peace.